Hi everyone, welcome to the Maldives. We're here at Siyam Iru Veli. We're about to show you inside this Dolphin Suite here, which is an overwater suite on the lagoon, directly on a channel that dolphins swim up and down, hence why it's got the name Dolphin Suite. So we'll take you up to the front door now and show you inside. As you can see as we walk up, this perfect blue lagoon, absolutely amazing. And nice bit of lagoon area here as you walk up to the suite. So here we go, let's have a look inside. We'll take you through the office area and out to the back. So minibar seating area. I'll take you out here to see this amazing view. So here we are. As you can see, these suites have a nice big swimming pool here. Very deep there, I think it's about 1 metre deep. Comes all the way out here and hangs right over the lagoon. There's also like a sandbank area where you can step down here, straight into the water. And this is the area where you can look for the dolphins. Apparently they swim past here once or twice a day. So yeah, if you're lucky you can see them. And also, out there is a sandbank, which you should be able to see. So the resort does trips out there, and we're hoping to get out there to have a breakfast or dinner perhaps out there. So I'll let you turn around now and show you the inside of the villa. Well, first off, here's some outdoor seating areas. So there's a sofa there, there's table and chairs here, take you around here, in through the bathroom, and we'll check this out first. So as you can see, huge big bath here. There's a whole like almost floor to ceiling window which looks out to the lagoon. You get all these kind of toiletries, so these are special packs of toiletries you have upon arrival. Then through at the back is a shower which has a door that opens down to the lagoon. And these doors open and I can see the water down there, which is nice. And the same next door, which is the toilet in here. And then there's a his and hers side to the bathroom. So we'll take you now through the adjoining door into the bedroom. Which, as you can see, is very spacious, huge big double bed with sort of mosquito netting around, like almost like a four-poster bed kind of vibe. There's wardrobes over there, mini bar area, office space behind. There's a nice seating area here, like a leather and wood armchair. And we'll finish off with views out to the lagoon again. So that has been our tour here at Siyam Iru Veli of this beautiful Dolphin Suite. It's very hot here, as you can see, beautiful sunshine. It's an absolutely perfect day, and we hope you enjoyed the tour. So thanks for watching.